This is the I Ching's answer. First line.
Moving forward leads to difficulties. Retreating is applauded. There is a missing element needed to move forward, like wanting to jump from one trapeze to another, but the other trapeze isn't in position yet. As the saying goes, no matter how early you wake up, dawn doesn't come sooner. It's better to wait. You are not in the best position to stay still and await a better moment, but there is nothing ahead to hold on to. You'll have to wait for better timing. You are a soccer player running the ball from the defensive zone. You can't pass it forward because there is no one to receive it. You'll have to play side to side without advancing. Even a humble turtle can travel 1,000 miles. It means persistent secure success. A person's true personality only becomes visible after considerable time spent together. In the long term, you barely started and already face difficulties. It is better to wait for now.
A mountain means stop, as self-restriction, as self-knowledge. To be one with oneself, this is the second reason to be happy every day. Like and subscribe. Second line.
The king and his servants face difficulties repeatedly. It is not their fault. The situation is as urgent as a natural disaster. If an earthquake alarm rings and you are caught unprepared, it's best to quickly grab what's closest to solve your immediate issue. Now, listen. This line doesn't predict a calamity. It emphasizes urgency. Share your story. What was the crisis? You are driving, and suddenly your tire blows out. You only need to go 4 more blocks, but must rush someone to the hospital. Stopping immediately would prevent ruining your car and tire, but you can risk it. While fixing a dripping faucet, it breaks. Then, the ball breaks when you try to close it. And soon, water bursts from every pipe. The entire system must be rebuilt. There is no other choice. In some situations, one must risk their life against all odds, whether defending their country or saving their family. It is an extreme case. Any sacrifice will seem small.
The chi in you must be directed to the back spine in order to ascend, keeping still and still moving. Comment and share. Third line.
When you try to move forward, you encounter difficulties, so you turn back. A significant advantage of online shopping is being able to return a product that doesn't meet expectations. This situation is similar. You'd return home if you realize a few streets later that you forgot your phone. Don't just turn back. Reverse the situation, whether it is retracing your route or undoing a deal. While driving, you realize you have taken the wrong road. You could continue and wait for the next U-turn, but that would mean driving 30 minutes in the wrong direction. Reversing just 10 feet would be more efficient. Retreat as soon as you notice something isn't right. Always consider that things could have been worse. Stay calm and composed. Even if a mistake was made, take note of its cause. If going back home to fix the issue is necessary, don't hesitate.
When everything is going okay, remember to keep the state of die. This is bliss. On hard times, hold out hope and trust in yourself. If you need a private reading, the contact mail is below on the description. Fourth line.
Continuing forward brings difficulties. Turning back leads to unity. Imagine skating, and suddenly you feel like you are going to fall. It's natural to grab onto something for support. If you find yourself needing help, don't hesitate to ask, no matter what others may say. On the other hand, If you don't know how to skate, a fall was predictable. Be prepared. You realize you are in trouble. Quickly seek someone in a similar situation to ally with. Perhaps by looking for online videos on situations like yours. Telepathy is recommended. Reach out to an expert for remote assistance, such as technical, medical, or psychological support. Some challenges require bold and subtle actions. Pooling resources may be necessary to tackle the issue. Don't aim too high if you can't handle the basics.
Heavens, we'll always send help when you need it. You can also help us. Please like and subscribe. Fifth line.
When you are in the midst of difficulties, friends come to help. You'll have the chance to assist someone in need. Take pride in helping, no matter how small your contribution. On the flip side, when you require help, don't overstep. Give them an inch and they'll take a mile. Accept the help provided. Exploiting your troubles won't be tolerated. Your neighbors are forced to leave their home due to a disaster, maybe a flood, fire, gas leak, etc. You call your friends to provide temporary housing, clothes, and food to support them. Happiness lies in helping others. Unity of purpose is a formidable strength. In the most extreme situations, seek support while maintaining faith. Remember that asking for help requires moral behavior. Deception will not be tolerated.
The I Ching is like a log on a big river that will help you get out of troubles. Share this information with the people you love. Give us a comment. Sixth line.
Moving forward causes problems. Turning back brings excellent fortune. It is time to seek out an influential person. You are not the first to choose the wrong path, and it won't be the last time. Don't stress or assign blame. Your goal is valid, but you need to explore another route. At the end of the road, avoid the stretches before you. There is nowhere left to go. It is better to turn back. Even you are at the conclusion of your current struggle, you'll need to retrace your steps, assisting those who ask for help along the way. You'll also find support during this process. A new path filled with possibilities awaits you. You have the courage to do what's right, regardless of the consequences. Prepare yourself to work from early morning until late at night. These situations build character. Focus on your inner growth.
Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.